This is just looking at TSM through the lens of risk management right now. So, you know, their risk efficiency is negative right now. They've been going down in price. Okay, if we look over here, we can see it a little more clearly. You know, the blue line here is Taiwan Semiconductor. It's actually down, you know, similar amount, if not more, than the other indices like the S&P 500, etc. We'll just leave the NASDAQ on here because that's what we can compare against. And its dScore, which is basically what you should expect your worst day of the month to be, is actually higher than the NASDAQ, right? So it's more volatile than the NASDAQ itself.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been going down, you know, it's in price, like more risk to for less reward. Okay, that doesn't mean that we're not at a turning point, right? We could be, but the trend in terms of reward for the risk you take has been going down. That's
Yes,
a caution. Okay. And, you know, overall, its dScore is higher than the NASDAQ, which means it's more volatile than the NASDAQ. So going back to the overview, the dScore was like 4%. So you should expect a 4%, you know, up or down day in TSM at least once a month.